أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I welcome you all in the online session of electronic circuit design. Hopefully you all are fine and having good health. Today we have the topic of instrumentation amplifier, and that's chapter number 14 section 1. And today's topic having instrumentation amplifier are commonly used in environments with high common mode noise, such as in data acquisition systems where remote sensing of input variables is required. Now, moving towards further details of this aspect, as instrumentation amplifier is a differential voltage gain device that amplifies the difference between voltage existing as its two input terminals. So the main purpose of an instrumentation amplifier is to amplify small signals that may be riding on large common mode voltages. The key characteristics are high input impedance with high input impedance, high common mode rejection ratio, which is a good for amplification and to reduce the noise aspect in operational amplifier, low output offsets and low output impedance. These are the features. That's the reason we use instrument amplifier for the op-amp feature. The basic instrumentation amplifier is an integrated circuit that internally has three operational amplifiers. So you can see in this figure, these are the three main operational amplifier you can see in this figure, and several resistors are also connected. The voltage gain is usually set with an external resistor. The basic instrumentation amplifier, as shown in the below mentioned figure 14-1, op-amps A1, A2 are non-inverting configuration. You can see the non-inverting input 1 and input 2 providing in A1, A2 respectively. High input impedance and low voltage gain op-amp A3 is used as unity gain, means that the non-inverting configuration A1 into are connected that provide high input impedance and voltage gain. So at this side there is a high input impedance because of the compatibility with input device or input that is provided to the operational amplifier A1 A2. Op-amp A3 is used as a unity gain differential amplifier with high precision resistors that are all equal in value. R3 equal to R4, R5 and R6 are equal in values, as you can see in these figures. And the R1, R2 you can see act as a offset from this side to providing a feedback to the output to input it as the inverting amplification signal towards the op-amp. As also you can see in this figure, these are the two sides of input that is providing by A1 and A2 to the A3 operational amplifier, and A3 act as a unity gain differential amplifier at this side and got the output at this level. The gain setting resistor RG is connected externally as shown in this figure 14-2, which is will be the upcoming figure in next page. Op-amp A1 receives the differential input signal V in 1 on its non-inverting positive input and amplifies the signal with the voltage gain of AV equal to 1 plus R1 divided by RG. This is the whole package in which the instrument amplifier connect the basic instrument amplifier with an external gain setting resistor RG at this level. It is connected for the setting purpose. Differential and common mode signal are indicated here, and this would be the showing the output at this level, output 2, output 1, or the operational amplifier A1, A2 respectively, and providing to the A3, and the overall output would be generated at this side. Op-amp A1 also has V into as an input signal to its inverting negative input, that is the inverting input through op-amp A2 from the side, and the path formed by R2 and RG, the input signal V into is amplified by op-amp A1 with a voltage gain of AV equal to R1 divided by RG. The overall closed loop gain of the instrumentation amplifier is the closed loop voltage gain equal to 1 plus 2R divided by RG, where R1 R2 are equal in the entity, as equation 14-1 shows that the gain of instrumentation amplifier can be set by the value of external resistor Rg, and respectively these values are fixed. So categorically moving towards the next aspect, which would be the numerical, but we are more important in the applications of instrument amplifier. So we have to start or continue by this section. The instrumentation amplifier is normally used to measure small differential signal voltages that are superimposed on a common mode voltage, often much larger than the signal voltage. Application including situations where a quantity is sensed by a remote device, such as a temperature or pressure sensitive transducer, and the resulting small electrical signal is set over a long line subject to electrical noise that produces common mode voltage in the line. The instrumentation amplifier at the end of the line must amplify the small signal from the remote sensor and reject the large common mode voltage. As illustrated in this figure, that the two input in this form and this form, this is the out of phase signals providing from the side small differential high frequency signal. As you can see, these signal consist of high frequency signal. So the one cycle of this signal would be complete at this side, and overall the frequency of this signal is too much high frequency signal riding on the large low frequency common mode signal.